This 2022 Forest River Cherokee Grey Wolf 29T is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 36 feet 6 inches in length and features Sleeps 9, stovetop burner, microwave, air conditioning, water heater, refrigerator, spare tire kit, LP detector, awning, smoke detector, external shower, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Forest River Cherokee Grey Wolf 29Te is 6,428 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.